Hello and welcome to our channel, A Person Life Cycle. Deep breathing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve both physical and mental health. Unlike shallow breathing, which uses only the upper chest, deep breathing engages the diaphragm, allowing the lungs to fill more completely with air. This provides the body with more oxygen and promotes relaxation. Increases oxygen supply. Deep breathing allows more oxygen to reach your lungs and bloodstream. Oxygen is essential for producing energy in every cell of the body, helping your muscles, brain, and organs function efficiently. Benefits: improves energy levels, reduces fatigue, supports healthy organ function, reduces stress and anxiety. Slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system. This counteracts the body's stress response by slowing the heart rate and reducing the production of stress hormones. Benefits: promotes relaxation, lowers anxiety, improves emotional balance, improves heart health. Deep breathing can help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. It also increases heart rate variability, an indicator of a healthy and adaptable cardiovascular system. Benefits: supports healthy blood pressure, enhances circulation, improves cardiovascular efficiency, enhances lung function. Regular deep breathing strengthens the diaphragm and helps the lungs expand more fully. This can improve breathing efficiency and reduce the tendency to breathe shallowly. Benefits: increases lung capacity, improves respiratory efficiency, encourages healthy breathing habits, improves focus and mental clarity. The brain consumes a significant amount of oxygen. Deep breathing increases oxygen delivery to the brain, which may improve concentration, memory, and decision-making. Benefits: sharper concentration, better memory, increased mental clarity, relieves muscle tension. Stress often causes muscles to tighten, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. Deep breathing helps relax these muscles by reducing nervous system activity and increasing blood flow. Benefits: reduces muscle tension, promotes physical relaxation, decreases discomfort from stress, supports better sleep. Practicing deep breathing before bedtime helps quiet the mind and relax the body, making it easier to fall asleep and improve sleep quality. Benefits: faster sleep onset, better sleep quality, reduced nighttime stress, strengthens mindfulness. Deep breathing encourages awareness of the present moment. It serves as an anchor for meditation and mindfulness practices, helping reduce distractions and improve emotional resilience. Benefits: greater self-awareness, better emotional control, increased mindfulness. A simple deep breathing exercise. Try this exercise for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 1. Sit or lie down comfortably. Step 2. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Step 3. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, allowing your abdomen to rise. Step 4. Exhale gently through your nose or mouth for 6 seconds, letting your abdomen fall. Step 5. Repeat while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Conclusion: deep breathing is a powerful habit that benefits nearly every system in the body. It increases oxygen supply, reduces stress, improves heart and lung function, enhances focus, relieves muscle tension, and supports better sleep. Just a few minutes of intentional deep breathing each day can have lasting positive effects on both physical health and emotional well-being. Every deep breath is an opportunity to calm the mind, nourish the body, and reconnect with the present moment. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to smash that like, subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.